Dr. Perlin embodies vision, innovation, and leadership, and he's delivering it each and every day at the Center for Discovery and Innovation.
Without those three attributes, it's difficult for an organization to be great.
David inspires people to not accept the standard of care, to not accept the status quo, but to push the boundaries forward, always for the betterment of our patients.
He can be talking about molecular diagnostics one day, to proteomics research, to therapies for antivirals in deep detail.
He's helped to break down the barriers between clinicians, academics, and research.
This is how we change society. This is how we change our thought. This is how we make progress.
When I think of Dr. Perlin, I think of bold, visionary,
Incisive,
Capable,
Collaborator,
humble,
strategic,
effective,
A brilliant mind.
brilliant scientifically.
inspirational.
a talent developer, an attractor.
What strikes me the most, though, about David, who has all these qualities, is he is a wonderful human being. He cares about people. He cares about patients.
The metric of success is not just scholarly pursuit and publishing in high-end journals or obtaining grants, but it's, are we impacting patients in a positive way? That's my motivation.
He has spent his career with a vision to rapidly develop and translate advances in the biomedical sciences.
He's someone who doesn't think in small increments. He thinks in big, bold steps.
He understands the complete picture. He understands how to bring an office together, to bring a venture together, to collaborate between clinicians and researchers. He also understands how important it is to translate what goes on in the laboratories to the clinical bedside.
The most important thing to do is to understand how the disease you're studying, how the disease you're looking to overcome impacts the patient. And that requires a deep dive. When you've decided what success does look like, who are the partners you need to bring forward to help you achieve your goals?
And here it is just 4 years later, and when you look at what he's done and what he's accomplished and what he's brought in and what he's developing, it's just absolutely astonishing. It's, vision realized.
Dr. Perlin has focused on the development of novel approaches for the treatment of serious fungal, bacterial, and viral diseases, and indeed has developed the first molecular diagnostic, cleared by the FDA for COVID-19.
Some tremendously significant, from a science and financial perspective, grants that he's secured to help do cutting-edge innovation around antibiotics, as well as new antivirals, both for COVID, but also what could happen next.
And he's delivering innovations to patients from bench to bedside. He's done it all.
A true demonstration of David's leadership was his contribution to us becoming a National Cancer Institute, an NCI-designated consortium cancer center.
In a very short period of time, he has attracted tens of millions of dollars in public and private funding, has built up world-class facilities and world-class faculty.
He knows that the performance of CDI and his organization and bringing that vision to life is a direct result of the level of scientists and talent and leaders that make up his organization, and he is extremely passionate about that.
He and his team were just rewarded the largest grant that Hackensack Meridian Health has ever received from the National Institute for Health.
The legacy that Dr. Perlin has already created for himself and for the center, it's exciting and important, and it will be impactful, and it will make a difference for New Jersey and for patients for decades to come.
The key for us is to be able to take our innovative science and make it work for our patients, not in years, not in months, but in a much shorter time period that impacts their lives.
What Dr. Perlin is doing at the Center for Discovery and Innovation is really speaking directly to our mission at BioNJ because patients can't wait.
When we saw what was happening in China, in the rest of Asia, in Europe, we realized that we needed to create solutions because our patients, once this virus came here, couldn't wait.
As a former honoree of the Sol J. Bearer Award, I know of its significance, and David, I cannot think of anyone more deserving than you.
The impact that you've made both at CDI and here on biotech in New Jersey is tremendous, and I look forward to continuing to see the impact in the years ahead.
You truly are a unique scientist, a unique innovator, a unique leader, really, and I could not be more proud that you're part of the team.
I can think of no one who deserves the award more than you do.
Congratulations, Dr. Perlin. We are honored to present you with this award.